A police officer wrongfully shot and killed a wounded teen as he lay on the ground unarmed. That's the verdict of a district judge who heard the non-jury trial of the lawsuit of the teen's family had filed against APD. News 13's Nancy Laughlin is live in the Newsplex.
Diane, Judge Teresa Baca awarded the family of Andrew Lopez more than $4 million for the wrongful death, but because of a state cap, the amount will actually end up being $400,000.
When he was found by APD officers after he was killed, there was a picture of the family in his pocket.
19-year-old Andrew Lopez had family, but he also had trouble. He'd been arrested several times in his short life. His lawyer claims never anything violent. But on February 8, 2009, Lopez and a friend were driving a car near West Central that someone on APD radio said matched the description of a car involved in a shooting. That was wrong. It was not the car. That was the first mistake that ended with Officer Justin Montgomery shooting Lopez. Judge Teresa Baca ruled today that Montgomery intentionally and wrongfully killed Lopez after chasing him on foot down the driveway of a West Side house where they ended up after a car chase. Montgomery claimed he thought Lopez had a gun, but no gun, no cell phone, nothing was found in Lopez's hand.
APD contends that he took an ashtray from the car and he was holding the ashtray, and the APD officers thought that it was a gun.
The judge pointed out that Montgomery first fired 3 shots, wounding Lopez. Then 5 to 10 seconds later, as Lopez lay unarmed and wounded on his back on the ground, Montgomery came out from behind cover, got to within 7 feet of Lopez, and shot him in the heart, killing him. Judge Baca found that Montgomery intended to injure Lopez, and she went on to say that Montgomery's testimony about what happened that night was not believable.
I like the idea that this case is going to result in less unnecessary deaths.
Judge Baca also ruled that Andrew Lopez was 25% to blame for his own death because he led police on a chase. A grand jury cleared Montgomery of any criminal charges. He is still on the job. Back to you.
Thanks, Nancy. The judge was also highly critical of APD's training on the use of deadly force. In a statement tonight, City Public Safety Director Darren White disagreed with her criticism, but he did say APD is changing that training and added that he shares the community's concern about the increase in police shootings.